In today's video, we're going to look at how to say I love you in the Igbo language. Saying I love you in Igbo is very easy. In the Igbo language, ihunanya means love. It is also said as ifunanya in some Igbo dialects. Ihunanya is a compound word made up of three words, namely ihu, which means to see, nanya, which means in the eye. So ihunanya literally means to see someone in their eye. That is, lovingly gazing into the person's eye. To express I love you in Igbo, you would say, ahụrụ gị n'anya. This phrase breaks down the compound word ihunanya into its parts. Ahụrụ, which means I see. Gị, which means you. N'anya, which means in the eye. Ahụrụ gị n'anya literally means I see you in the eye. In other words, I love you. And that is how you say I love you in Igbo. Say after me. Ahụrụ gị n'anya. You can book classes via our website.